Today's video will compare the Xiaomi 14 Ultra versus the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Reminder folks that in the description of this video, you'll find all the purchase links for these phones. Take a look if you're interested. Now without further ado, let's dive into the comparison. Design. Body material. Weight. Dust and water resistant. Loudspeaker. Dimension. Display. Size. Resolution. Screen to body ratio. Type. Pixel density. Refresh rate. Colors and brightness. Protection. Rear camera. Video recording. Selfie camera. Performance. Chipset. CPU. GPU. Operating system. Antutu benchmark. Storage. RAM. Internal memory. Universal flash storage. Card slot. Battery. Capacity. Charging input. Fast charging. Wireless charging. Reverse charging. Connectivity. SIM card. Network. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Navigation. NFC. .5mm jack. Radio. Security. Fingerprint. Face unlock. Result. Price. What did you think of this comparison? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to join our exclusive X-Tech Deals channel on WhatsApp. There, you'll find amazing deals, incredible coupons, and stay protected from scams. All the links are in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you next time.